not shining. Her hair is perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when it compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so, try to fake it, she don't see what I see. Every time she asks me to, I look okay. I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she let me. Her laugh, she's but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, just stay the same. So it doesn't matter asking if you look okay.